basic requirements of the drug product, which is a very important subtopic in this session. Very important topic. What are the basic requirements in drug product? Pharmacological. First, any scientist, you should keep in your mind my medicament, my pharmaceutical, my drug product meeting what pharmacological requirement. That means pharmacological need, patient requirement, patient need, market requirement, market need. So in pharmacological requirement, it is for what? You're used this drug for treatment of what? Diabetes is there. Nowadays, so many, around 35 to 40% of Indian population are suffering from diabetes. So diabetes product is there. So diabetic patients, so many diabetic patients are there. If you're using this medication, particular diabetic patients, so many side effects will be there, right? So specific. So diabetic patients, some other alternative disturbances are also there with the sugar patients like BP fluctuations, kidney function. So other tests are also there. Other means other what you call, along with the diabetes, other problems like kidney failure function, something like BP fluctuations, liver function problems. So these are the various problems. If you are taking medicine for the diabetes, so that medicine can affect other organic systems, other kinetic systems in your body. Then patient has to be taken into the consideration. This my formulation should reach to the patient in a effective way. Side effects, adverse effects are common for any formulation. So my motto is diabetes. Diabetes mellitus, for example. My motto is treatment of diabetes mellitus. So on that particular receptors, my active pharmaceutical ingredient works. In other side of the coin, some side effects, adverse effects will come. How much effective control strategies you are establishing to reduce that side effects, adverse effects are very important. That is what the patient requirement versus pharmacological requirement. The patient requirement point of view, you have to consider that dosage form is easy for administration or what, with safety and efficacy. In such a way, you have to develop a formulation. That formulation should be very, very easy administered, simple administered. Next, market requirement. See, market requirement means here selection of dosage form in this competitive world is very, very important. What kind of dosage form you are selecting? For example, CNS, central nervous system drugs are there, antipsychotics, anti-manic, antidepressant drugs are there, which are having high demand. Next, cardiovascular drugs, statins, all statins, beta blockers, which are also having high demand in the market. So the selection of dosage form is also very, selection of particular category of the drugs are also very, very important. In the same way, dosage form. My dosage form manufacturing process should be easy. I should get easy approval. Complication should not be there. In this way, scientist has to think on that product. Then only you will fulfill the market requirement as well as your financial requirement, financial fulfillment. Okay. So for pharmacological requirement and patient requirement, I can give 5 stars. For market requirement, I'm giving 1 star extra. Why? Because of this only, if a market we are able to meet the market requirement, so much employment is there, so much M.Pharm, B.Pharm, M.Sc postgraduates and graduates are able to get the jobs in pharmaceutical industry. So we will get a platform to explore our knowledge, to explore our what you call qualification and all. You will get a good platform if the pharma industry is good. Okay.